Everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to be looking at Spicychat AI, how to upgrade it. How to upgrade Spicychat app AI. Actually, how to upgrade Spicychat AI app on PC. Unfortunately, Spicychat AI is primarily a mobile application and there is no official PC application for Spicychat AI. However, you can see Spicychat AI on your PC using the web browser by accessing the Spicychat AI website, which is spicychat.ai, through your preferred web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, others. Then this will allow you to interact with the AI and use its features directly in your browser. However, the web browser experience might not be identical to the mobile app in terms of features or interface, and some features might be optimized for mobile devices. So it's better to use a mobile device. Now, to upgrade the Spicychat AI app on your mobile device, let's follow the following steps. Follow the simple steps. 1. Open your device app store. For Android, use Google Play Store. For iOS, use the App Store. Search for Spicychat AI. Use the search bar to find Spicychat AI app. Then, if an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app. If it's not available, that means you're using the latest version. If it is, update it. This will start downloading and installing the latest version of the app. Wait for the update to be complete. The time it takes to the update will depend on the size of the update and your internet connection speed. Once it is updated, you can now open your Spicychat AI app and enjoy the latest features and improvements. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to download the updates. And updating the app regularly ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements. By following these steps, you can easily upgrade your Spicychat AI app on your mobile device and enjoy the best possible experience. Hope you found this video helpful on how to upgrade Spicychat AI app on PC. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell for easy access to our latest updates or videos. See you in the next video. Bye for now.